leads my way. Home is salt, the wind is free. I hear the rising of the sea. Farewell, friends, the sails are set. The wind is east, the moorings fret. Shadows long before me lie beneath the half-abandoned sky, but islands lie behind the sun that I shall raise ere all is done. Lands that are to west of west, where night is quiet and sleep is rest. Guided by the lonely star beyond the utmost harbor bar, I'll find the heavens fair and free, and beaches of the starlit sea. Ship my ship, I seek the west, and field and mountains ever blessed. Farewell to Middle Earth at last. I see the star above.